At first glance, you'd probably think this was Japan, or maybe Europe, but it's neither. This is a brand new shopping destination just outside Jakarta, and it's already surprising visitors from around the world. Now that we're inside, the first thing you notice isn't the shopping, it's the atmosphere. Instead of long indoor hallways, you're surrounded by open walkways, trees, landscaped gardens, and plenty of natural light. It feels calm, spacious, and surprisingly refreshing. This is Jakarta Premium Outlets, located in Alam Sutera, just outside Indonesia's capital. It's the country's first premium outlet village, bringing together international and local brands in an open-air setting. Some visitors have even said the layout reminds them of Japan's famous Gatemba Premium Outlets, not because they're identical, but because they share the same village-style shopping experience where walking around becomes just as enjoyable as shopping itself. And that's exactly what makes this place feel so different from the shopping malls most people expect to find in Jakarta. And here we are. One of the first luxury brands you'll notice is Boss. It's one of many international labels that have chosen to open stores here. Instead of keeping everything on one level, the outlet is designed around multiple terraces connected by escalators and bridges. Let's head upstairs and see how the view changes from above. From here, you can really appreciate the scale of the development. International brands stretch across both levels, surrounded by open gardens. One feature that immediately stands out is this indoor waterfall, adding a relaxing atmosphere that's rarely seen in outlet shopping centers. Unlike traditional enclosed malls, every section here feels connected to nature, with trees, fresh air, and wide pedestrian paths. You'll also find travel gear, sportswear, lifestyle brands, and plenty of options beyond luxury fashion. And that's what makes Jakarta Premium Outlets different. It's not just about finding discounts. It's about enjoying the entire shopping experience. Let's head up to the upper level, where the entire outlet begins to reveal its full design. From up here, it's easier to appreciate the open-air concept. Landscape gardens, cascading water, and 2 levels of retail blend into one continuous space. The upper level isn't just for shopping. Family-friendly attractions like Kidslandia make this destination appealing for visitors of all ages. As you continue walking, the atmosphere becomes even more relaxing. Native landscaping and woven architectural features give the outlet a distinctive Indonesian character. It's easy to see why many visitors stop here. The elevated promenade offers some of the best views across the entire complex. Unlike a traditional enclosed shopping mall, Jakarta Premium Outlets is designed to feel open, spacious, and connected to nature from almost every angle. Looking down below, the wooden walkways and lush gardens create inviting spaces where people can slow down and enjoy the surroundings, not just the shopping. Beyond the shopping streets, there's another reason families spend hours here. Large outdoor play areas turn this into much more than a retail destination. The playground is thoughtfully integrated into the landscape, making it feel like a natural part of the entire development rather than a separate attraction. Spaces like these encourage visitors to slow down. Shopping becomes just one part of a much longer experience. What if I told you this isn't Japan, or even Singapore? Right above the park, the atmosphere suddenly changes. It feels more like an open-air lifestyle district than a typical shopping mall. Walking through these streets, I couldn't help thinking of places like Gatemba Premium Outlets, with wide walkways, fresh air, and international brands lining both sides. From sportswear to fashion, everything is designed to make people slow down, browse, and simply enjoy the space. Instead of packing everything into one massive building, this place spreads the experience outdoors, making the walk itself part of the destination. It's easy to forget you're in Tangerang. With a skyline like this, it's hard to believe this area was once just another suburban district. The further you walk, the more this place feels less like an outlet and more like a modern lifestyle destination. Wide open walkways, tropical landscaping, and plenty of space make it surprisingly relaxing to explore. Instead of packing every corner with stores, the designers left room for nature to become part of the experience. That balance is what makes Jakarta Premium Outlets stand out. Shopping here never feels overwhelming. Families slow down, friends stop for photos, and children turn the central boardwalk into their own little playground. It almost feels like a public park, except you're surrounded by international brands in every direction. This kind of open-air concept has become popular around the world, from California to Japan. And now Tangerang has its own version, bringing shopping, architecture, and green public space together in one destination. The deeper you explore, the more international brands begin to appear around every corner. From sportswear and fashion to eyewear and lifestyle stores, there's something for almost every type of shopper. And because everything is connected by open-air walkways, moving from one store to another never feels tiring. It's a shopping experience that feels surprisingly calm, something that's becoming increasingly rare in major cities. Between the stores, you'll also find cafes and restaurants where visitors can slow down and recharge. That mix of shopping, dining, and green spaces encourages people to stay longer instead of simply making a quick purchase. Places like this aren't just built for buying things anymore. They're designed to become destinations in their own right. And that's exactly what Jakarta Premium Outlets is becoming for Tangerang. Now on the ground level, the atmosphere feels even more relaxed. Boutique stores, landscape gardens, and quiet seating areas create a space that's just as enjoyable for relaxing as it is for shopping. What impressed me most wasn't just the collection of international brands. It was how thoughtfully everything was designed. Wide walkways, open-air spaces, and plenty of greenery make this place feel welcoming from start to finish. For many international visitors, destinations like this reveal another side of Indonesia, modern, organized, and constantly evolving beyond the image most people already know. If you're planning a trip to Greater Jakarta, Jakarta Premium Outlets in Tangerang is definitely a place worth adding to your itinerary, whether you're here to shop, dine, or simply enjoy the atmosphere. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed exploring places like this, don't forget to subscribe for more journeys across Indonesia's most fascinating destinations. I'll see you in the next adventure.